Hey, to zoom in your Opera GX, we've got actually two methods how we can do this. The first one, you can click and hold Control button on your keyboard and then use scroll button on your mouse. Like this, we can scroll up or scroll down and you can zoom in or zoom out. If it doesn't work for some reason, you can still open the settings in the left bottom corner. Then from this, go into the right side on the search settings and type shortcuts. There we go. We have to click here to configure shortcuts. And now we'll have to scroll down all the way down. And there we go. As you can see from here, we got actually the default shortcuts with the keyboard. So we'll have to click on the Control button and the number plus button. So we can also zoom in. And when we click on the minus, we can zoom out. Also, there's the Shift button, Control Shift plus view combination. And we can also type some other shortcuts, for example, H button. Now when I click H button, as you can see, I'm zooming out. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.